better slow down or you're gonna drop it, okay?
You say something so lovely, but now I gotta let you go. You'll be better.
Yeah! Captain Smoker! I'm sorry, please don't hurt us.
I'm sorry, my silly pants have eaten all your ice cream. Here, go buy yourself 5 scoops.
A waste of life. If you truly care about your family as you say, you'll only shame them by living.